children, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing fine. So I have a very interesting topic for you people for today. Do you know? Okay, yes bachcho, this is unforgettable personalities. So let's get started. Name any two. You have to give these personalities name and great religious leaders, social reformers of India, great rulers of India, great scientists and famous scholars. इन सब के नाम आपको देने हैं दो दो नाम. Now let's proceed with great personalities of the world. Most people are born, live humdrum lives and die in anonymity. But only a few people make an indelible mark on our lives with their extraordinary and selfless service to humanity. सही बात है बच्चों, बहुत सारे लोग आए, बहुत सारे लोग गए, लेकिन कुछ लोगों ने अपनी छवि हमारे जीवन में छोड़ दी है ना. उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा किया, कुछ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी, अपने स्वार्थ के बिना लोगों की हेल्प की, लोगों के लिए काम किया. They are source of inspiration for generations to come. Let's read about some of the world's great personalities. Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. Mahatma Gandhi was a great Indian who led India in the independence movement against the British rule. He completed his schooling in India and moved to England to study law. Yes बच्चों, वो फ़ॉरेन जाके उन्होंने पढ़ाई की थी and he went to South Africa to practice law after becoming a lawyer. और उनकी पढ़ाई भी होने के बाद उन्होंने जो लॉ की स्टडी किया था उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए वहाँ साउथ अफ्रीका भी वो प्रैक्टिस के लिए गए थे. साउथ अफ्रीका वॉज रूल्ड बाय द ब्रिटिश एट दैट टाइम एंड द वाइटिस ट्रीटेड द नेटिव ब्लैक्स एंड इंडियंस वेरी शैबली. गांधी जी रिजॉल्व टू फाइट अगेंस्ट द इनजस्टिस. वहाँ पे जब उन्होंने ऐसा होता हुआ देखा तो उन्होंने उसके अगेंस्ट फाइट किया. फॉर दिस ही अडोप्टेड द मेथड ऑफ ट्रूथ एंड नॉन वायलेंस. आपको पता है वो हिंसा के पुजारी थे और उन्हें सच्चाई की राह पर चलना बहुत पसंद था. He spent 20 years in South Africa fighting discrimination. When Gandhiji arrived in India in 1915, he was worried to see the condition of Indians under the British rule. तो वो देख के इतना उन्हें वो तो वहाँ पे लड़ रहे थे इंजस्टिस के लिए, लेकिन यहाँ के कंडीशन देख के उन्हें बहुत बुरा लगा. And he joined India's freedom struggle. He traveled throughout India, informing people about the value of independence and asked for their support. अब लोगों को जीवन ऐसा जीते हुए देख के उन्हें लगा कि उन्हें लोगों को गाइड करना चाहिए कि जो इंडिपेंडेंस है वो हमारे लिए कितनी वैल्यू रखती है. और वो जाकर सबको गाइड करते थे, उनसे सपोर्ट के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करते थे. एंड he used to say he took the path of satyagraha, which was based on truth and non-violence. He started various movements such as the non-cooperation movement in 1920, the civil disobedience movement in 1930 and the Quit India movement in 1942. On August 15, 1947, India became free from the British rule due to his great efforts. क्योंकि उन्होंने इतने एफर्ट्स डाले, लोगों को इतना लोगों का की सपोर्ट से उन्होंने अंग्रेज़ों को हमारे देश से बाहर निकाल दिया. Many of his ideas and opinions were disliked by some, क्योंकि उन्हें तो अहिंसा करना अच्छा नहीं लगता था, वो सच बोलने के लिए सबको प्रेरित करते थे, तो कुछ लोग उन्हें लाइक भी नहीं करते थे. He was assassinated by one of the Hindu activists, whose name was Nathuram Godse, on January 30, 1948. Even after dying many years ago, he is still alive in the heart of every Indian as the father of the nation and endearingly Bapu. हम उन्हें बापू कह के भी बुलाते थे, वो फादर ऑफ नेशन कहलाते हैं. तो आज भी वो हम सबके दिलों में जिंदा हैं. Abraham Lincoln was born in 1809 into a poor family in the United States, and he had to work as a farm laborer due to deep poverty. He couldn't obtain a formal education. However, his mother taught him to read and write. Sometimes he borrowed books from his friends and read them. Despite all the obstacles, he became a lawyer. स्लेवरी वॉज कॉमन इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एट दैट टाइम, है ना, वहाँ पे भी यही प्रॉब्लम थी स्लेवरी वाली. निग्रोज वॉज ब्रॉड फ्रॉम अफ्रीका एंड वर केप्ट एट स्लेव. दे वर मिसट्रीटेड बाय द वाइटिस. तो उन्हें जो काले निग्रोज तो थोड़ा ब्लैकिश उनका कॉम्प्लेक्शन होता है ना, तो वाइट पीपल जो वहाँ के थे उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा उनके साथ बुरा व्यवहार करते थे. लिंकन वॉज अगेंस्ट द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ स्लेवरी and he entered politics. He was elected by the President of the United States of America in 1860. The northern states opposed slavery while the southern states backed it. As a result, a civil war broke out that lasted 4 years. The northern states won and Lincoln banned the practice of slavery. Even before the civil war ended, all slaves were set free. सब जो वहाँ पे जिनको स्लेवर उसमें रखा गया था ना, स्लेव्स बना के, उन सबको फ्री कर दिया गया. डिस्पाइट द प्रोटेस्ट ऑफ द सदर्न स्टेट्स, लिंकन वाज सक्सेसफुल इन कीपिंग द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका यूनिफाइड. However, he was shot dead by a supporter of the pro-slavery southern states in 1865. जो अच्छा काम करते हैं ना, उनको सब लोग पसंद नहीं करते हैं. Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. was born in the United States in 1929. He was Black American. Despite the fact that slavery was illegal in the United States, blacks were denied equal rights. They were treated badly by the whites. And Martin Luther King Jr. was the civil rights movement's leader in 1950s and 1960s. He resolved to fight against this injustice. Gandhiji's idea of satyagraha influenced him greatly. In 1959, he traveled to India to learn more about Gandhiji and his philosophy. During his visit to India, he said, "I am not a tourist, and I have come on a pilgrimage to pay homage to the land of Mahatma Gandhi." In the United States, he continued his fight on the path of truth and non-violence. क्योंकि उन्होंने सीखा तो गांधी जी से ही था. He was successful in gaining widespread support from the blacks. On August 28, 1963, over 2 lakh people joined him in his march to Washington. In Alabama, whites prohibited blacks from voting in elections. तो उन्हें तो वहाँ पे वोटिंग करने से भी रोक दिया गया, है ना. तो मार्टिन ल्यूथर किंग जूनियर continued his efforts to achieve equal rights for blacks in 1964 and he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. However, he was assassinated in 1968. Even though he died, his efforts to bring equality to society will always be remembered. किसी के जाने के बाद भी उसके अच्छे कामों को नहीं भुलाया जा सकता बच्चों. Socrates, he was born in Greece about 2500 years ago and he was philosopher and teacher. He had a strong belief in truth. According to him, thinking and reasoning are the sources of knowledge. He was opposed to uncritical confidence in anything. He wanted people to question everything before they believed it. He used to claim that an unexamined life is not worth living and that no one does evil knowingly. He encouraged people to believe in the truth, liberty and open-mindedness. Many influential and wealthy Greek opposed his ideas and his ways of working क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं पसंद आया. They accused him of leading Greece youth astray. They demanded that Socrates give up his views. तो उसके पीछे पड़ गए थे कि इसको ड्रॉप करें. But he refused and as he was not terrified of death, उसे डर नहीं लगता था मरने से क्योंकि जो अच्छा काम कर रहा होगा उसे हमेशा लगता है कि मुझे ये करना ही है. As a death punishment, he was asked to drink hemlock, a very deadly poison. तो उनको जहर पीने पर मजबूर किया गया उनको क्योंकि उनको डेथ पनिशमेंट मिली थी, है ना. तो पहले ऐसा ही होता था बच्चों. He drank hemlock and died. Plato, his disciple, preserved his teachings and continued to spread his ideas. Try to answer. You have to write T for true and F for false statements. Karl Marx, he was born in 1818 in Germany, and he was a scholarly man who was well versed in law, philosophy, politics and history. In Europe, this was the period of the Industrial Revolution. Most industries would force laborers to work hard for long hours in order to increase profits. They were mistreated and paid a pittance of their hard work. इतना काम करवाने के बाद उन्हें बहुत कम पैसे दिए जाते थे. This had made their condition miserable. The factory owners on the other hand were making huge profits, क्योंकि उनसे ज़्यादा काम लिया जाता था, कम कैसे पैसे दिए जाते थे, तो उनको तो फ़ायदा ही हो रहा था, प्रॉफिट हो रहा था ना उन्हें. The rich were getting richer while the poor were getting still poorer. गरीब गरीब होते जा रहे थे और अमीर बनते जा रहे थे. The rich industrialists and big landlords were called capitalists. Karl Marx advocated for profit to be distributed equally among owners and workers. He was the author of two famous books, The Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital. He united the workers and asked them to fight for their rights. The workers' movement was suppressed and Karl Marx escaped to England. Lenin adopted his plan, and which resulted in the abolition of monarchy in Russia and foundation of the Soviet Union in 1917. Karl Marx became immortal as a result of his attempts for bringing equality in society. Knowledge booster, Marx is considered the founding father of socialism and communism. लेट्स रैप अप बच्चों. चलिए क्विकली एक बार इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स देख लेते हैं चैप्टर्स के. इस चैप्टर में जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट आपने बातें पढ़ी हैं उसे रिकॉल करते हैं. मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, पॉपुलरली नोन एज महात्मा गांधी, वॉज बोर्न ऑन October 2nd, 1869 इन पोरबंदर, गुजरात. Abraham Lincoln was born in 1809 into a poor family in the United States, and he had to work as a farm laborer due to deep poverty. Martin Luther King Jr. was born in United States in 1929, and he was a black American. Despite the fact that slavery was illegal in the United States, blacks were denied equal rights. Socrates was born in Greece about 2500 years ago, and he was a philosopher and a teacher. He had a strong belief in the truth. As per him, thinking and reasoning are the sources of knowledge. Karl Marx was born in 1818 in Germany, and he was scholarly man who was well versed in law, philosophy, politics and history. Okay, it's your turn my dear children now. Let's have a look on checkpoint. A. Tick the correct answer. आपको करेक्ट ऑप्शन चूज करनी है तो करेक्ट आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द करेक्ट आंसर. तो आपको इस स्टेटमेंट में, इस एक लाइन में, सेंटेंस में आपको एक वर्ड मिस करके दिया गया है. वो वर्ड आपके चैप्टर में अवेलेबल है. गो एंड गेट द वर्ड. राइट शॉर्ट आंसर्स एंड राइट द आंसर्स इन डिटेल. तो शॉर्ट आंसर्स को आपको 3-4 लाइन्स में और डिटेल में लिखने के लिए एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया जाएगा, और इस एक्सप्लेनेशन को आप चैप्टर की हेल्प से भी लिख सकते हैं. Hordes, do you think radio as a means of communication is as effective as television? Assertion, reason, question. In each of the following questions, a statement of assertion A is given and a corresponding statement of reason R is given just below it. Make the correct option. Value based question, life skill. Write about the life lessons you have learnt after reading about some of the great personalities in the chapter in your scrapbook. Map work. On the outline map of the world, mark the label the countries where following great people were born: Mahatma Gandhi, Abraham Lincoln, Karl Marx and Socrates. About our country, write down the names of some of the great personality of India in your scrapbook. Project activity. Collect pictures of some of the great personality of the world taken from the internet and hang them on the wall of your classroom. Have fun, bachcho, while doing this activity and enjoy.